Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to enable notification for any app on the Xiaomi Smart Band 10. Now to do that, first of all, just make sure you connect your Xiaomi Smart Band 10 to your smartphone through the Mi Fitness app. After you do that on your smartphone, just open the Mi Fitness app, then tap on devices. From here, just go to notifications, then tap on app notifications. Now just make sure you enable app notification. And from here, you can either select mirror phone notifications and it will mirror the notifications which you receive on your smartphone. Or you can select custom notifications and you can select the notifications which you want to receive on your Mi Band 10 from here. For an example, I have enabled the notifications for the Messages app, and you can enable the notifications for any other specific app. For an example, you can enable the Contacts, Google Chrome, or any other app, just like that. But if you want to receive all the notifications which come on your smartphone, just select Mirror Phone Notifications, and once you enable this option, all the notifications which come on your smartphone will be mirrored on your Mi Band 10. And this is how you can enable notification for any app on the Xiaomi Smart Band 10. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.